Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to turn off the notification of specific application on your iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go up in your settings, and in the setting you just need to slide your screen into downside until you found the applications right here. You will select the applications that you have on your iPhone. So to turn off the notification, you just need to find the specific application that you want to turn off the notification. So let's say I would like to turn off the warm zones notification. So you just need to go click the application, and after that you'll see there will be an option of notifications right here. Just go click it, and now you just need to go click this allow notification. And whenever you turn it off, so there will be no notifications will be pop up or received by you. And there will be also another way, if you want to still receive the or allow the notifications coming into your phone, but you don't want to have the informations on your screen, go click turn off everything's here, and now you're done. So you will not gonna receive any notification from this worms zone. So that is the way, guys, how to turn off the notifications of specific application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.